Alright, we're back. So, I don't know, this might be its own episode. I don't really know at this point. So, we are over with the boy. It's Ricky. It's Ricky P. If you've obviously watched this before, you'll know Ricky often ends up helping me do really stupid things.
Sure do.
So now we're returning the favour. Ricky... I'm gonna go with had a Corolla because currently it's like there's parts of it here. Let me get a torch. Let me show you what we got.
There's shit everywhere.
So Ricky's Gearbox has obviously left the chat. We've currently got this in about 4 million pieces. He's currently prying the seals out of the old Gearbox.
Oh, it worked.
Jesus.
Yeah.
We've signed off on the clutch. It's an approved job.
Yeah, get a nice close up of that.
Yeah. That is dreamy. Honestly.
That is beautiful.
That is just a sign of the times. Obviously.
Everyone's got to know about COVID and how much it sucked, mate.
Whoever pulls this out is just going to be like, COVID? Huh.
I hope whoever does actually messages me and goes, "Hey man, I've seen that your name's on the clutch and you put it in 2021. It's now like 2035 running the same clutch. How sick, you know?"
Being a Corolla, it's actually not unbelievable, but like, I can't hope not.
Pretty sure the original one was OEM.
Yeah, OEM plus.
No, I don't know about that.
Plus slip.
Oh yeah, it was slipping for sure. That was fucked.
Plus slip's a mod.
Nah, don't rate.
Nah, don't rate. Prefer OEM.
Not a good mod.
No.
Turn it off.
Yeah, let's do it.
Wasn't sure you did.
Just look at filming to actually have some of this content. Oh, icy. It's a bit tight. Go the bottom too. It's fucking dude, there's so much paper still in here, bro.
Send it.
Send it. How come your gearbox seals don't leak? I just ran it with paper.
Look, I wrapped it with tissue paper and I stuffed it in with a screwdriver.
It worked.
It's fucking mint.
Oh
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Beautiful. I don't think it's enough. Straight away that was dry.
Still good, still good. It's gonna be tight.
Just smack it head on. Hit it straight with the mallet.
Yeah, but I don't want to damage this. If you damage that, you want to just do this.
Yeah, send it from down to down.
You want me to just go?
Yep. No, that's too much. Undo.
Undo. Control Z.
Control Z. Yeah. It's almost there. Yeah, she's gripping. There we go.
I'm going to go with a softer approach because I don't have a big socket.
Looks like it's working.
Oh, that was the pop.
The pop.
Now we just level it up with this.
She's not virgin no more, boys.
No comment. Can you imagine if that was the sound?
You just one big thrust and it's a...
This guy. Straight up.
He's in his mobile phone because he's poor.
Piss you.
My GoPros keep dying.
My GoPro's flat, alright?
I've got 5 batteries, they're all just fucked.
Mine are flat.
They are. Alright, we got the seals in for the axles now. Both sides. Which is awesome. Now all we got left to do is chuck the throw up bearing on, grease the shaft, which you can... Oh, I missed that. I'm glad you got that. Just keep the selector straight up. Keep it forward.
I genuinely can't believe it worked, but my brain's like, you should have known that was going to work.
Good shower. Gave it the sweetest kick. Not straight in the bin. Alright. I reckon I might hit that with some brake cleaner.
Yeah, we're gonna clean it because we're not amateurs.
Not savages. we
I don't know.
But we don't scumbag.
Yeah, it's getting questionable. I'll give it that.
Yeah, she looks good as new.
Getting icy.
Yeah, that's done.
My guy done. Man versus Gearbox.
Man, does he stink? Wrong way.
Look at that. Quick 180.
Okay. Hope everything's out the way.
Jesus.
Man doesn't mess about.
I can see that.
But trying to get it to line up.
Yeah. Let me stop fucking give you hands. I've got no hands.
I've got two.
Yeah, right.
It's in.
Bullshit.
It's in.
This man, I put the camera down for 6 seconds and he's pretty much pushed it in.
Yeah, there we go.
Top needs to come up with that.
Towards you?
Yeah. Just up and down. Here's the twist. Yeah, I'm gonna stop filming because I need hands. For those of you at home wondering, like, yes, you did just watch this bear of a man just casually lift a gearbox in like it was nothing.
Well, it was something, but
Insane.
should be right.
Good man. So we've done a fair bit.
Sure have.
Gearbox is back in, front rear mounts are on. I don't know why I'm filming this because this is really a Ricky P episode, but whatever. Yeah, Ricky's doing as he's told. We're going to hook up the selector and then we're going to test the clutch before we go too far, even though he doesn't like that. But we'll motivate him real quick. We'll just give him some of them.
Give me some left, right, good nights.
You know, we'll really motivate him. Just going to kiss on the hand.
That gets me in the mood.
Oh boy, we got clutch working.
Working good?
Yeah, bloody oath it is. We got gears.
Every gear.
Alright, well, we have progressed. So, obviously, we have gears currently. Clutch is working, so we know the repair is working. Ricky P is going to continue filming his webisode because
yeah, I've got
that's the encouragement we need. So yeah, we've basically bolted a whole heap of it up. There's obviously a whole shit ton of stuff missing, but the essential part of the repair is done. Oh look. Ooh.
Clip. That one's in.
Yeah.
Just like that.
That was easy.
And they do the ball joints.
Ain't nothing for a guy like you, mate. Alright, so we're back. Ricky has really outdone himself. And he's painted the rocker cover, so like, that is, you know, modified vehicle 101.
Yeah.
And if you look just down here, there's Ricky pumping gearbox oil in. Because we're pretty much done, huh?
Basically.
So Ricky obviously finished everything off while I was in a meeting earlier. But yeah, it's coming back together. We almost have one whole Corolla again. Ricky's obviously riveting and pumped about it. But he doesn't look like it, I guess. Damn son, you've been working out, you're getting thick back here, huh? It's a nice ass. So yeah, this is the approved position.
Have you seen the rip?
Oh man. Yeah, so he's also got a rip in his pants, kids, just in case you were wondering. But yeah, so we're pretty much done. I'm gonna finish this webisode pretty much here because I don't even remember what else we filmed, but we filmed a whole heap of stuff. So yeah, I guess like, comment, subscribe, tell me if you want more Ricky P content and random weird things we end up doing here. There's plenty of Corollas involved, so if you like Corollas, I guess that's your cue. But yeah, so yeah, you have a good night, and we'll be back with more strange and interesting content soon.